Hey y'all, it's Rabbit Hole 223 coming at you with another quick how-to and a little bit of building on a review. This is from Midwest Grow Kits. It's their extra large liquid culture kit. As you can see, it comes with the large jar, a 60 millimeter syringe for extracting out later. It's an empty syringe, just so you know. You got some needles. You got instructions in here, a little bit more information on how to use it. And you won't quite see it in here, but there's actually a magnet in there. Just a quick look at these instructions, kind of give you a quick idea. If you're on a large screen, you can probably read it. If not, you can. This is where I realized there's a stir bar in there. I didn't notice that, so I'm trying to point there. There's a stir bar already in the container, which I was kind of hoping, but I wasn't sure. So that was a nice touch. And that's, again, in this packet coming up, you'll see. Yeah, here you go. You'll see, kind of, if you look real close, you can see this magnet in the bottom corner. Alcohol pads there. Yeah, there you go. The bottom right-hand corner, that's a little magnet in there. They say you can take that and stir it. I don't know how fast you're going to be able to turn it with your hand, but okay. The directions say I should have taken this off 2 to 3 hours before. This has been sitting on my counter for a couple days. I wasn't too worried about it. Just going to go ahead and move it. Alcohol swabbing everything off there. Trying to make sure it's all good and clean. The whole area has been alcohol cleaned already. Sprayed it down, let it sit for a couple minutes, walked away, came back. You can't see it, but I should also mention I'm wearing a mask here. I wear it in all the videos when I'm doing this kind of stuff, so just another helpful suggestion. See some nice spores in the syringe. I'm trying to break up those clumps a little bit, get it going. If you're listening right here, you can listen real close and you can hear a change in sound. I didn't have that needle on all the way, and it's actually leaking water and spores onto the desk, which was a bummer. Here you see me being a little lost. I hear the sound change. I know that something's not right. I'm trying to figure out exactly what's going on. This one I realized that, there's air in there because it's been leaking out the needle tip, or not out the tip, over where the lock needle gets in. Tighten it down again, fix that problem. This is where I'm gonna get a lot of grief right here. I didn't sterilize the needle you saw. It was a pre-sterilized needle. People take these out of there and stick them in your arm. I'm only gonna use it this one time, or if I use it again, then I'll sterilize it over flame. I made the call not to sterilize it again. I put 2 to 3 cc's in there. Because of the airspace, it was a little hard to tell. Got to get that needle cover on right away there. Just keep that thing covered anytime you're not actually using it. It's just smart. Here I'm probably doing something stupid. I'm trying to get that air out of there a little bit. Probably not the best idea, but I didn't like the idea of the air in there. This actually changed my plans for the syringe. I was not going to use it all today, but due to this error, I decided, nope, this one's going to be done. Get it out of there. Yeah, so that's about it for inoculating the bulk there, the liquid culture bulk. We've got that all done. Just a little more alcohol pad cleanup here, make sure everything's good. It doesn't need to be done, but it doesn't hurt. Here we take a brief look at the jar, see some spores in there. We know that we're good to go. In a week or so, that should be very happy mycelium. We'll break it up a little bit and go again. Subscribe and see the follow-up on this as I move along with the jar here. I've also got some other liquid culture videos coming. Thank you very much.